Okay, let's work in the quotient rule. In the quotient rule, we have f of x divided by g of x. The function in the numerator, which is cube root of x, divided by x cubed plus 1. The numerator is f of x, and the numerator is g of x. So according to the quotient rule, what we do is we put the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top, the derivative of the bottom. Okay, so let's write it. That would be, so h prime of x, that would be the bottom, x cubed plus 1 times the derivative of the top. But remember that cube root of x is x raised to 1/3. The derivative of this would be 1/3 of x raised to negative 2/3. That will be the derivative of the top. So this times 1/3 x negative 2/3 minus, and now we write the top cube root of x times the derivative of the bottom. And that in that case would be 3x squared. 3x squared divided by the bottom x third plus 1 square. Okay. Once we have this, what we do is we work with the numerator. So I will multiply this times this and this times this. Basically, this is a distributive property. So we go through 1/3 of x raised to negative 2/3 times x to the third. That will be 1/3 x. Remember, when we have the same base, we add the exponent. 3 is 9/3. 9/3 minus 2/3, that will be 7/3. 7/3. Plus 1, but 1 times this will be the same. So it will be plus 1/3 x negative 2/3. Then minus this times this. This is x to 1/3 times x squared. You add them, so that will be 6/3 plus 1 will be 7/3. 7/3, that's the exponent of x. We put x here, and 3 times this times 1, which is the coefficient here, that will be 3. And always divided by x to the third plus 1 raised to the second power. Okay, let's keep working in the numerator. We have x, and here we have raised to 7/3, 7/3. So we can work with this and this, because this is the same. 1/3 minus 3. What we do is 1/3 minus 3. 1/3 minus 3, remember 3 is like 9/3. 9/3 is 3. So 9 is 1 minus 9, 8/3. So that would be 8/3. That's the coefficient. X raised to 7/3 plus 1/3 x to negative 2/3, and that is divided by x third plus 1 raised to the second power. And that will be an answer. You can keep working and do some algebra here, but that will be a good answer that shows that you know the quotient rule, because basically the quotient rule is the first part. That's when you apply the quotient rule. It's the bottom, the function that is on the bottom. It doesn't matter if it's f of x or g of x. Some books could put in the top f of x and on the bottom g of x, but if it's vice versa, would be anyone. Just, it's better to understand that is the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom divided by the bottom square. Okay, and then you do distributive property, you work with the like terms, and then you get that answer.